Hi, it's Mark out here with you today on Lake Dardanelle in west central Arkansas. Lake Dardanelle is an Arkansas river impoundment that stretches from the town of Ozark, from that dam there to the dam at the town of Dardanelle. Altogether, the river run is around 50 miles. It's about a 40,000 acre lake made from that river with huge expanses of backwater that are as big as individual lakes themselves. I'm out here on one of those today, and I'm just going to be fishing in a little Pelican bass raider, two-man Pelican bass raider. So what do you do on a 40,000 acre lake? River impoundment with a two-man boat. What I'm going to show you, what I'm going to be doing today is I'm going to be fishing under one of the countless bridges here at Dardanelle. It's a bridge I've been fishing under for 35 years, year after year. And it continues to turn out good stringers of fish. So today I'm going to be fishing under that bridge. It's likely, if the fish are moving at all, I'll be catching a few crappies, some white bass, yellow bass, maybe a few catfish, and possibly some other species. So come along with me, let's go catch some fish. And I put my boat in just about 300 yards away from the bridge here. And this is the bridge right here. One of the countless bridges on Lake Dardanelle. A lot of them hold fish throughout the year. There's a channel that runs through here. I'll be by this bridge all through the morning. So let's see what we come up with. It appears I've got a catfish on here. It happens from time to time. Maybe fishing for these crappie or white bass, light line. You see the rod bending the way it is. And those little catfish are hard to get up. There he is. Oh, wait a minute. Wait. What do I got here? It's a largemouth bass. That's a largemouth bass. Pretty good one. Let's see if he's legal. Nice largemouth. In Lake Dardanelle, they've got to be 14 inches to keep them. Let's see what we got here. And he is 16 inches. Pretty fish. Got something on the ultralight here. See how this works out. Not very big, apparently. He's coming up. It's a little yellow bass. Not gonna keep this one just yet, but those are delicious fish. Got something decent on here. Nice crappie. Good crappie. That's kind of what I'm down here for. Well, I've hooked another good one out here. I don't know what this is, but it's something heavier than I'm hooked up for. Hopefully you can see it okay. Adjust the camera a little bit so you can see down in the water. He don't want to come up. Maybe another largemouth. For these fish that are bigger like this, that are bigger than what I'm fishing for, I don't use my drag. I let my reel go in reverse because they can really put a strain on. Yep, it's another bass. Just about the size of the other one. Into the net he goes. I can't reach down and lift these fish. I can't reach down and lift these fish because if I bend over this little boat, I fall in the water. But there he is, another nice one. Got something else on here now. Not sure what we got here. Let's see what we got. Whatever it is, it won't come in. Decent crappie. Not real big, but he's nice. Something else on. Another bass. Another pretty nice one, like the others. Okay, got something hooked on the ultralight here. Can't tell what it is, maybe a yellow bass. That's a drum. Old drum. They hit the same thing back. Well, I didn't set any records on Lake Dardanelle this morning, but I caught some real decent fish. Had a great morning, good time out there in my small boat. Caught these on just crappie minnows. Unfortunately, I had quite a bit of competition under the bridge in the form of several other boats, and quite a bit of activity under there as far as fishing went, but I still managed to get mine and have a good time. Even that small boat on this great big lake, I can find a place like that bridge to go over and catch a good stringer of fish. That's what you can do. Get you a small boat, get you some kind of small craft, or even fishing off the bank. Find you a good place like this that you can fish off the bank, and you can produce stringers of fish that will provide some great times and some great eating. Great on your table, great with your kids. Let's go fishing.